Today we printed a little angel using the DTF printer. First we import the picture for printing. Our DTF printer has been upgraded. The 6 systems are upgraded to 16 systems, and the printing efficiency is greatly improved. Upgrade the motor system to ensure the printing effect. Printing will not be misplaced. Next, we use DTF powder to shake powder. Then we put the film into the DTF oven for heating. DTF oven has countdown reminder function. You can do other things while the oven is working. Finally, we put the film on the items that need to be customized for pressing. Customization is complete. Please contact us to learn more about DTF printer. Thanks for watching.